Hello friend, this is from Karvil Machinery Technology Company in China. Here it is a new finished 5 liters model lab scale Planetary mixer for our New Zealand client. For this mixer, it is used to mix the material, silicone substrate, and active pharmaceutical powder type ingredient, high viscous material. The whole body we make it stainless steel, and the material contact part stainless steel 316 pharmaceutical grade, pharma grade. And it is a lab scale one. The right part is a mixing part, and the left part is a material discharging system. We can transfer the tank via the channel on the surface of the space. This is an electricity cabinet part. We adopt both PLC system and mechanical buttons. For the motors part, we use Siemens brand motor and hard-tooth phase reducer. We equipped a high-speed and low-speed mixing system combination type. Now I lift it to see it. Here it is via the hydraulic system, the whole top part lifted. Now we can see the mixing system. It's including a high-speed shaft with 2 dispersing discs and double twisted pedal blades for the low speed. And this is a scraper. Scraper both for the inner cylinder wall and the bottom both have scrapers. So in this way, the high viscous material, powder or liquid or resin will be mixed universal. And this is a hydraulic discharging system. Now the mixer has been connected with the electricity power. I make a simple test for it. Both systems work for PLC and mechanical ones. For the system, we can set the mixing time, and also we can set the vacuum degree. Once it's below the set degree, mixer will not work. Also, we can set the jacket temperature or the material temperature on the panel. Once it loses the temperature or higher than the temperature, the mixing system will not work. Besides, it has a jacket for the mixing tank jacket, and client will connect it with their cooling system. We equipped a spare tank as requirement. Okay, now I start it. Both high speed and low speed. Speed down. Speed down. We create the 2 windows. We can check wire this window and another with a light. Okay. No problem, we test the max speed. Both work. Okay. Also, we have once the top mixing lift up, the mixer will not work. This is for safety consideration. Also, this is temperature and vacuum set. This is for the data seal. This is for the receive area. We have these functions. Okay. Done. Okay. No problem. And after mixed, the tank would be transferred into this position for the material discharging part. We also make a mechanical buttons here for convenience, up and down. In this way, material would be discharged out from the tank. Please note that we also make a brace bolts both hole on the top pressing plate, convenient for the material discharging. Okay, so just now I have make a simple introduction and the basic mixing function test for the new finished 5 liters model Planetary mixer for New Zealand client. Next video, we would like to test the vacuum system performance. If you have any interest for this kind of mixer, high viscous material mixer, feel free to contact for more information. This is from Karvil Machinery Technology Company in China. Thanks for watching.